This is Row, Row, Row Your Boat by Jane Cabrera. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Gently, we're gently, we're going gently.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row
Okay,
your
we're
boat
rowing.
slowly down the creek.
Slow, 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 slow.
If you see the swimming mice, don't forget to squeak.
What's the sign for mice? Mice, and we're gonna go. Eek!
Row, row, row your boat, splish and splash.
Splish and splash, splish and splash.
If you see the monkey swing, don't forget to chatter.
Okay.
Ooh, ooh, ow, ow.
Wow.
Okay, and he's gonna chatter. Wow, ee. Okay. Forgot he swings too. Okay. Here we go.
Row, row, row your
You
boat
go
past
gently.
the old tree stump. If you see the elephant, don't forget to trump.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Row, row, row. your
Row,
boat.
row, row your boat through the narrow gap.
Oh.
If you see a crocodile, don't forget to snap. Snap, snap.
Snap! Snap! Okay, here we go.
Row, row, row your boat closer to the shore.
Oh.
If you see a lion smile, don't forget to roar.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's just sign for lion first. Lion.
That's fun.
Here we go again.
Row.
Row,
Oh, this is
row,
a sign
row
for
your
tiger.
boat.
Good.
Watch the tiger prowl. If you see his mighty pounce, don't forget to growl.
Good job.
Perfect.
She was doing the tiger before I could get to the tiger. Okay.
Row, row, row your boat beneath the sky so blue. If you see the singing doves, don't forget to coo.
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 What's the sign for bird?
Coo.
Bird, and we're going to go coo. Coo.
Row, row, row your boat, now it's getting dark. If you see mommy dog, don't forget to bark.
What's the sound for dog? Dog.
Row, row, row.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Warily, 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 snuggle up and dream.
Oh.
That is the end.
Good job.